Is it yummy?
No. Spit it out then.
No, don't spit it out. There ain't nowhere to
No, she can't have it in her mouth if it's
Swallow
too
it.
hot. It's extremely hot.
Just keep on chewing it. It won't be hot no more. Just keep on chewing it. One more? Yeah? That's my girl. I passed.
It's going to get hotter and hotter though.
Okay.
What is those?
Candy.
Candy.
They're called hot tamales.
Hot tamales.
What's hot mollies?
These?
One could be
a
a
bite.
good